just like an ambulance. Sunscreen. No. So much damage. What is up, everybody? This is cyounginyou. Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, we'll talk about how to fix a broken skin barrier. It's a highly requested topic. How do you know if your skin barrier is broken? If your skin feels tight, even become red or sting, this tight feeling isn't just momentary, it just lasts for a day or even for a few days, your skin barrier is broken. It can happen when you over cleanse, weather changes, spending too long time in sauna, even after dermatological procedures. Then what should I do? If this sounds juicy, hit the subscribe, like me, and put the notification bell so don't miss out my new video. And share to your friends, please, so we can be all glass skin together. Let's get started. Often happen to me, my skin barrier broken. I cannot even go to the doctor every time. Or can I keep my same skincare routine? That won't work. Your skin is sick right now. Please stop using all the products now. Sunscreen, vitamin, retinol, no. Your skin now is in a state of very high fatigue. Restoration must have done. Because I test so many different products, when my skin gets really bad sometimes, I even skip sunscreen in a day and only apply one product. What's the one? Please tell me. So I'm gonna introduce some of the products you can just buy right now and use it. Better for you guys to know the key ingredients that help regenerate the skin. There are 3 key ingredients that help regenerate the skin. Remember these 3 ingredients? Check it out, the cosmetics, and if they have it, you can try it out. First and foremost, Panthecell.
Have you heard of Panthecell? In Korea, it's a must-have in every household with a baby. It's a miracle ointment from Germany. Whenever a baby gets diaper rash, applying this overnight makes it disappear by the next day. But it's too heavy to use as a skincare product. The key ingredient is dexpanthenol, a form of panthenol.
Panthecell, when absorbed to the skin, it quickly converts to vitamin B5 and helping your skin regenerate. Second, Centella asiatica extract, as known as Cica, right? You heard a lot about Cica on Centella based products. It helps regenerate your skin. Or you can look for the ingredient which says Madecasoside and Asiaticoside. It's also Cica. Third, 3 ingredients together: ceramide, cholesterol, and fatty acid. These 3 act like a clay that envelops the outer layer of your skin. So applying a product which contains these 3 can make your skin recover very quickly. I'm going to recommend 6 products containing these ingredients. 3 global and 3 Korean brands. Starting from La Roche-Posay B5 Cicaplast Balm. Number 1 Panthecell cream here in Korea. It says 5% of panthenol and Madecasoside. So they have actually both of the ingredients. This cream is actually focusing on repairing severe skin damage, promoting regeneration, even anti-aging. Pretty thick and leaves the finish that feels like you applied some oil. Also contains titanium dioxide. Ever heard about it? Same ingredient found in mineral sunscreens. So that makes your skin a little white cast. So this one you actually have to apply with a little force. Otherwise, it feels like it doesn't spread it well. That ingredient, they didn't put it for UV protection, but to brighten up your skin. It's like a mineral sunscreen. You can feel similar texture. Oh, it doesn't spread it that well. After acne treatment or laser procedure, pretty recommended. But if you're oily, acne prone skin, you will feel this is a bit too oily. So more recommended to dry and mature skin and atopic inflammation who has a really dry, who has a pretty damage. Next, another French brand from BIODERMA, CICABIO POMMADE. Between these 6 moisturizers, the most powerful like an ointment feel like a texture. It's just like an ambulance. So if your skin condition like so bad, so red, so stings, go with this. It feels almost like a cement, so thick. And you need to apply it a lot of pressure, rolling motion. If your skin is not that damaged, you will feel it's clogging my pores. Whenever my skin is really bad, I feel, oh, I can feel it's healing. It contains asiaticoside, which is from centella, and peptide also, which also help correct skin tone. Due to its like highly oily texture, don't recommend it to acne prone skin or really active with acne. So better anybody who's like really damaged and then dry skin.
Next, Avene Cicalfate SOS cream. When I squeeze it out, only liquid came out for a while. It says the formula can separate if stored below 5 Celsius. Then this cream should not even be sold in winter. Looking at the reviews, I'm not the only one experienced this, so careful. I had to go to the sink, drain the liquid, and finally the cream started to coming out.
Comparing to former ones, less oily. Great for oily or combo skin or acne prone skin. It has a zinc oxide which can control excess sebum production. This can work like a water cooler. So when your skin is like red and then blemish, overheated, it's really good. Make your skin like a calm down. Anybody not willing to use like oily product or for guys, I highly recommend this. And next 3 products is gonna be Korean one. I mentioned a few times, usually Olivion super high ranking or #1 moisturizer during the winter time, the AESTURA cream. And their main ingredients are ceramide, cholesterol, and fatty acid. So these are the core components of your skin barrier. So they actually stays at your skin. They have a capsules, but when you like rub it, it's just melting down. But that capsule has these 3 core ingredients. Massage a little bit, it just melts so quickly. So compared to other products, former 3, this one a lot more daily moisturizer, but still feel a bit oily for the oily skin. So except for oily skin, acne prone skin, I just recommend it for the daily moisturizer. You want it to also like keep your skin barrier. Next is also Korean brand Real Barrier Extreme Cream. This one was my holy grail for a pretty long time, but I didn't have any chance to introduce it. This contains both panthenol and madecassoside. But some of my guests who says like so sensitive, so I cannot even use AESTURA. This is okay. If you're super sensitive skin, try this one. Texture also similar, but it doesn't have a capsules, but anyway a little bit heavy. They have also extreme cream light version, a little oily, and then acne prone skin, try light version. Last one, BIOHEAL Panthecell. BIOHEAL is the Olivion made brand, like a Sephora collection from Sephora. Between whole moisturizers today, the most light. So great for the daily. Most cosmetics has water at the first ingredient. This one, the first ingredient was Centella asiatica extract. So a lot of centella. So anybody who is not okay with the centella, this one, oh no. It feels like really light. It melts so quickly. Also contains panthenol. It's not that popular compared to other moisturizer. I think it's a pretty much hidden gem. It's Olivion made brand, so they do pretty good promotions, giving you some like a bonus. Check this out if you want more like a daily moisturizer. Also keep your skin barrier. But one thing I don't like it is other ones are all tube, but this is a jar. So that issue. Definitely younger people who's living in the tropical country, you guys will prefer this. Okay, for summary, I'm so damaged right now. If there's a 10 people, I'm the driest person, you guys have to go with a BIODERMA. It's like a emergency option, or B5. These 2, the most thick, heavy guys. My skin, something wrong now. I'm an acne prone skin and I just don't like too heavy. Go with the Avene. Maybe I wanted to change the moisturizer which works better for my skin barrier. These 3 guys, I love it all. But between these 3, this is the lightest. These 2 are similar. I'm the most sensitive person between all of like 10 people right now here. Then this one, extreme. Whenever my skin becomes so much damage, I just quit. I don't even put sunscreen. Sunscreen, some of the ingredients can be attacked. I know I can get sunburn, sunspots, but I don't care because I'm just sick, right? So in that time, I just kept like pick whatever. Usually I go with a B5 or BIODERMA because I'm more dry, mature skin. Layer like once or twice, just slip. And usually for a few days, I get better. Even the cleanse, I just use like really mild cleansing foam. That's it, not even oil. Just leave it and give the minimal food. And whenever your skin get better, go back to your skincare. So if this video helped, or if you guys are using well of these products, please share, it would be great.
I love Korean food so much. Even when I travel, I need K-food every other day. I guess I have a taste bud of an old Korean dude. Why I love it? When you order a meal, you get a variety of banchan or side dish for free. At K-barbecue restaurants, they always serve fresh veggies so you can make your own wrap. And so many different types of Korean food that I even haven't tried them all yet. What's your favorite Korean food?
Thank you so much for coming today as well. And I'll see you guys in our next video. 안녕!